How to create a zip file for photos and videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on Library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Select the photos and videos that you want and then tap on the share icon at the bottom. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Go to the folder where you want to save these files to and tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Once you're here, go to the Location section and tap on My iPhone. Go to the folder where you just saved the files. Here, tap on the three dots at the top right as shown. Tap on Select. Now, select the files you saved and tap on the three dots below. Then, tap on Compress. As you can see, you have now created a zip file for these two files. Open the zip file to extract the files. Following these steps, you can easily create a zip file for photos and videos on iPhone.